Hey, what's up guys, Cheeks Gaming down here and welcome back to another video. As you can see behind me, these are the ones that we are going to be teaching you how to make today. So, let's get into it. Number 1, this piggy. So he's got there's a cute little piggy on a flag. Alright, so what you're going to want to do to start off with a plain white banner. And you're going to want to get 4 ink sacs and put it like this with the white banner in the middle, and you'll get this. Then you're going to want to put the stripy banner down there and put pink across, and you'll get this. Then you're going to want to put the stripy banner with a pink stripe on it here and put one down the middle, and you should get this. Then you want to put that up the top and put that down the bottom, and you should get this. Then you put this up the top with that, and you should get this. It's a bit trippy. And then you put one pink dye and one with a skull, and you should get the nostrils, and the eyes should be fixed. And there you have your piggy. So it went from this to that. Next we have our slime. So you're gonna want to start off with a plain green banner, and then it'll turn out like this, so it looks pretty good. So all you're gonna need, put your green banner down the bottom, 3 ink sacs across, you should get this. Then do the same thing except the green go down the bottom with that on the left, and you should get eyes. Next you put the green banner with eyes down, and you put the ink sac down, and you should get this. Next you put the green all the way around the banner, and you should get this. Next you do a kind of triangle thingy, upside down T with the flag in the middle, and you will get your awesome slime. Now we're going to be making a domo. As you can see, it's right here. If you don't know what a domo is from, I don't actually know what it's from, but I always thought it was pretty good. It looks pretty cool actually, and it turned out pretty well. So yeah, this is the domo. So you're gonna want to start out with a brown banner. Put that down the bottom. Alright, I am back, and so you're gonna want to put the brown banner down the bottom, and then the 3 ink sacs across, and you'll get this. Then you're gonna want to put the brown banner on the left with a stripe through it. Put 3 cocoa beans down the middle, and you should get this. Then you're going to want to put it up the very top, your banner, and 3 red dye down the bottom, and you should get this. Next, you're going to want to put your banner in the middle and use 3 bone meal, and you should get the teeth. Next, you're going to want to put cocoa beans all around your teeth, and you should get your little domo. Next, we're going to be making a cross. So first you're going to start off with this blue banner, and then it's going to turn out like this. It's pretty sick actually. So, a normal dark blue banner, and step 1. You're going to put a bone meal in the middle, and it's going to turn out like this. Then, you're going to want to put the flag in the middle, and put lapis lazuli and oxide daisy, and it will turn out like this. Next you're going to want to put bone meal in the shape of a diamond around it, and it should turn out like this. Then put lapis all around, and it will turn out like this. Then you're going to want to put it in the middle, put lapis up the top, and it should turn out like this. And there is your cross banner. Making my favorite by far, and it is the Ender Dragon banner. As you can see, it's right here. It looks very sick. All credit goes to, I can't remember the name right now, but I'm sure I'll put it in the description. All credit goes to him for this, and it actually is pretty sick. So yeah, let's get started. Alright, so we have the black banner in the middle with 3 on top, and you should get this. Then we have the black banner with the spikes on it, and then you put the 2 on each side of the purple, and you should get this. Then you put that in the middle with ink sacs in the shape of a V, and you should get this. Next you put an oxide daisy in the end of the flag, and you should get this. That looks pretty sick on its own. Next, you put that flag and a wither skeleton, and you should get your ender dragon. Thank you for watching. It's been GX Gaming 9, and this has been my top 5 banners. I will be doing another one of these very soon, and whenever I get around to it. So yeah, so I will see you guys later. Goodbye.